Hi everyone, today we are going to do 2 roses, and let's get started. So I've poured my clear into the molds. The temperature is 32 degrees. I'm using a fast cure resin, and I'll put my colors in. So this is a cherry, add some pink to that. You can choose any color you want. And with this, we'll go with a little bit of a difference. We'll do yellow in the middle. And a lavender. I put some in there. Okay, just give this a little bit of a mix. Now we give this one a little bit of a mix. Then we'll do our white. Okay.
Breathe in, breathe out, let it all go. Colors are flowing, gentle and slow. Art in motion, the heart becomes still, flowing like resin, guided by will. Peace all around, gentle hands healing, soft in their sound. Calm is arriving, I know I belong. silence arise. Stillness is deep and silence is wide. Nature forever, my spirit's guide. Breathe, flow, create, light, love, release. Here now, always free. Art, obsession, heart.